What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can reset the password of your US bank's online banking account. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And let's move on with the video now, shall we? So the first step, you want to type US Bank online banking login and click on the first link over here and it'll bring you to this website. Over here, click on versus login and then click on versus get login help. Once you do that, it'll take you to its helping page. And once you're in the helping page, what you want to do is from over here, click on reset password. And over here, you need to fill up this form by entering your personal ID over here and last 4 digits of your social security number. Click on continue. On the next step, it's gonna verify if that account belongs to you or not. After it verifies that that account belongs to you, it'll take you to the password reset page where you guys can enter your new password. And then enter a new password and it's changed. So that's how this works. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and bye bye everybody.